Underwater camera on stream. You want to show it?
Nah. Like, is it good? Yeah, it's good. All right, bet. All right, bet. Fuck it, chat. I'm about to go, bro. All right, just start filming. All right, hold this. Can one of you hold this? Wait, hold on. How?
Put your jaw into there.
My jaw?
That's it. Right in there.
Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh God!
You gotta hold it.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, I'm putting some pressure on it.
Yeah, but now my hood is down.
Okay, pull your hoodie across. There you go. You comfortable in there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm tightening up.
Yeah, tighten it up. Holy crap. All right. Okay. All right, chat. Wait, can they even hear me?
Not yet, only underwater. Okay, once you're onto this, you're onto air, right?
Uh-huh.
There we go.